What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Cuddle team leader from LEGO Fortnite. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Now you want to start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now you want to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top. I'm going to bring that down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Now you want to offset the pupils along the inside of the eye. So from the bottom left, draw a small circle. And then on the top right, add that same size circle. Let's add a small highlight circle along the top of each pupil. And then we'll fill the insides in black. Now we're going to move to the center and draw in the heart for the nose. We're going to start with a point. Let's start with the left side. We're going to go up, come around, and then in towards the center. Go back up to the top, go around the right side, down, and then in. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left, and then we'll fill the inside of the nose in black. Now you want to wrap that muzzle around the nose. We're going to start along the top with a straight line, going across. Now on the left side, we're just going to round out the muzzle, come down, and just pull that up just underneath the tip of the nose. Let's go around the right side, going down, come around the outside, and then back in towards the top. Now just underneath the muzzle, we're going to add a curve for the mouth, coming down, and then up, and we'll trace that along the inside. Now let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, we're going to step out, curve this down, come in just underneath that bottom lip, go across, and then bend that back up towards the right. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to work our way up towards the top of the head. We're going to go up, and bend that in towards the middle. Let's add some hair along the top of the head. Just going to bend this out and then up. Come down toward the top of the head. Let's add one smaller point going out and then back in. Let's close off the head, going out, come around, and then down toward the side. Let's add that scar on top of the left eye. We'll start up here, and this in and then up. Go up and then in towards the middle. Now I'm just going to trace this along the inside. So we're just going to taper this so it gets wider. Along the top of the head, let's add two half circles for the ears. We're going to start with the left one. Going up, around, and then in. Let's line this up on the right. Let's trace each of the ears along the inside. Now let's go back and add a fur texture across the head. We're going to start on the left side, bend this down, go up, let's add another point, go up, add one smaller point on the right. Let's add a little bit of texture on the left side, and then on the top right. Now with the head in place, let's move down and draw the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to draw a straight angled line, coming down and then out. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Now I want to close out the bottom with a straight line. Along the top, we're going to draw a curve for the collar, coming down and then up. And then we'll add a strap along the side. For the top of the body, let's step in, bend this down, and then out about halfway. Let's add a clip along the top with two straight angle lines coming down and in. And then going back out to the side, angle this down and in. Angle this down and out towards the corner of the hips. Let's add that large patch in the center of the body. From the side, draw 2 straight lines going up. Now we're going to close off the top with a half circle. We're going to go up and then bend that back down. Let's add that heart in the center of the body. We're going to leave a gap along the top. Start with the left side. We're going to go up, come down, and then in. And then on the top, we're going to move over towards the right, going up, down, and then in. Let's add that lightning bolt. On the left, come down, in, and then down. Go to the right and do the same thing, coming down towards a point. Let's fill the inside of the heart in black. Now from the hips, we're going to step in, draw 2 short lines coming down, and we'll close off the bottom. Let's extend these 2 lines coming down. Let's leave a gap in the center and draw 2 more lines on either side for the belt buckle. Now let's go back out and add a curve for the barrel of the body. We're starting on the left, going out, and then in. And we'll close off the bottom with another straight line. Now from the outside, draw 2 straight lines coming down towards the bottom of the feet. And then we'll go back to the center, leaving a gap. We're going to draw 2 lines. One on the left, coming all the way down. We just want to line this up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's close off the bottom of the feet with a straight line. Now move up, draw another line, the trim. Move up one more time, and draw another straight line for the top of the feet. Let's add a little bit of texture along the bottom of the sole. We're going to start on the left, draw these straight lines going across. Now on the top of the right leg, we're going to step down, draw another straight line going across. And then we're going to add 2 stripes going across the bottom of the left hip. We're going to step up, draw a straight line coming in towards the middle, step up and draw that 2 more times. Now we want to add some fur texture across the hips. Let's start on the left, going down, and up like a W. Do the same thing on the right. Move down across the left leg. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the inside of the arms. Let's start halfway down the side of the body, starting right here, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist, and then we'll line that up on the right. Let's round out the wrist. I'm going to go out and then up. Now from the outside, we're going to curve the arm going up, and I want to bend that in towards the top of the body. Now I'm going to leave some space from the wrist and draw a circle for the hand, but we're going to leave a gap along the bottom. So let's start right in the middle, start with the top, going all the way around, go back up to the top, come around the opposite side, and again, leaving that gap along the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's round out the inside of the hand on both sides, and we'll trace that circle on the inside. Let's connect the arm to the hands with 2 straight angled lines. And then on the outside of the left wrist, add a curve coming in, angle this down. Now we're going to add 1 stripe across the top of the arm. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the Cuddle team leader from Lego Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave the links for you in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.